Essential camping tips and tricks for outdoor enthusiasts. Hey there, fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Hill Yackers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of camping. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting out, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks to enhance your camping experience. So grab your gear, and let's get started. First up, choosing the perfect campsite host. The first step to a successful camping trip is finding the perfect campsite. Here are a few tips to consider when choosing your spot. 1. Look for level ground and clear any rocks or debris. 2. Consider the proximity to water sources and restroom facilities. 3. Check the weather forecast and avoid low-lying areas prone to flooding. 4. Remember, safety and comfort should be your top priorities when selecting a campsite. 2nd, tent setup and campfire tips. Now that you've found your campsite, it's time to set up your tent and get that campfire going. Here are some key points to remember. 1. Practice setting up your tent at home before your trip to familiarize yourself with the process. 2. Clear the ground of any sharp objects that could potentially damage your tent. 3. Use a tarp underneath your tent to protect it from moisture. 4. When building a campfire, choose a safe location away from trees and bushes. 5. Always remember to extinguish the fire completely before leaving the campsite. 3rd, essential camping gear. To ensure a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience, there are a few essential items you should have in your camping gear arsenal. 1. A reliable tent with proper ventilation and enough space for everyone. 2. Warm sleeping bags or blankets suitable for the climate. 3. Portable camping stove or grill for cooking meals. 4. Proper lighting, such as lanterns or headlamps, for nighttime activities. 5. Basic first aid kit, insect repellent, and sunscreen to stay safe outdoors. 4th, food and cooking tips. Camping wouldn't be complete without delicious meals prepared in the great outdoors. Here are some food and cooking tips for your camping adventure. 1. Plan your meals in advance and prepare ingredients at home to minimize prep time at the campsite. 2. Pack food in airtight containers and store them in coolers with plenty of ice. 3. Opt for easy-to-cook meals like foil packet recipes or one-pot wonders. 4. Don't forget to bring necessary utensils, pots, and pans for cooking. 5. Remember to store food properly and secure it to prevent wildlife encounters. And there you have it, fellow campers. Our top camping tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your outdoor adventures. Remember to respect nature, leave no trace, and embrace the serenity of the wilderness. Thanks for joining us today on Over the Hill Yackers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your camping experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy camping!